everybody, it's Patty coming at you tonight on this live video. We're going to show you the Eco Luncheon Containers and the small Eco Luncheon Containers. Hope you are having a great day today, and soon dinner time for everybody, so I won't be taking very long, and I'll get through this and let you get on with your evening. But first we're gonna show you how to make a recipe, and it's going to be the buffalo chicken roll-ups. So we're gonna get started with the luncheon container. That is what it will look like. In the catalog, they are more like an aqua blue color. And this is what the inside looks like. It's roomy enough to fit a sandwich or a bagel or croissants. And then two side compartments to fit snacks. You could put dip in one, you could put vegetables in the other, or cookies, what have you. Yeah, so that is the one piece. Comes with the lid. Okay. And then also, these are the small Eco Luncheon Containers. They come in a set of two. So they're like that. They come in a orange and a yellow color in the catalog with matching seals. These I got a couple months ago in a sale, so they're exactly the same product, but they'll be in a different color in the catalogs. So just to show you an example of what you can put inside of them, here I've got blueberries, cucumbers, a cheese stick, and some pepperoni. And in this one I have a sandwich and some pretzels and a Hershey bar. So like that, they come in sets of two. Okay, so for the buffalo chicken roll-ups, you want to start with shredded chicken, cooked shredded chicken. And let me get my recipe here. The spread, you want mayonnaise, sour cream, or plain Greek yogurt, and some buffalo wing sauce. So what I used was some red hot sauce. So first we're going to make the spread. And this here is, I'm using one of the bowls from the Wondelier collection. So we're going to start out by putting our mayonnaise and sour cream in first. I'm only making one wrap, but the recipe that I'm going to post, that makes 4 wraps. Okay. And then this here's the red hot sauce. So I'm going to stir that up like so. And I'm going to take my wrap. So you want a tortilla flour wrap. And what you're going to do is spread this onto your wrap. The paddle that I'm using here is a paddle scraper. This is also a party prize that you can get when you're a Tupperware consultant. You can order these. They may also be available on our customer website for 75 cents. So they're really handy to use. They're nice and compact. They fit in your drawer really easily. And they're just like a flexible spatula. It's not made of the rubbery type, but it's very flexible. I really like this. So I'm going to spread that out onto the tortilla. You want to leave about a good 2 inches or so from the edge. That's really all you need. So be like that. And the next step is we're going to put, you can put feta cheese, you can also put blue cheese. I used feta. So we're going to spread out over the wrap. Like so. It doesn't have to be exactly neat or, you know, spread out too much. Just until it all is even and it sticks good to the spread. Okay, the next step is we're going to add our shredded chicken onto the cheese right on top, like so. Okay. All right, so pat that down a little bit. And very carefully, we're going to be rolling this up. Okay. Everything you see here is available in the Tupperware catalog, except for your paddle scraper. That is available through the website as a party prize, or when you join Tupperware as a consultant, you can order them as a product. In your sales tools. Sorry. And this here, let me show you this. This is part of our Universal Chef series. That is called the serrated knife. It comes in a set of 2. One serrated knife and then also a paring knife. That is also in the Tupperware catalog. These I got as a welcome bonus when I recruited a consultant. So I got an entire set of knives and a knife sharpener. And these are the sharpest knives I've ever used. They are top rack, dishwasher safe. Also, everything you see here is backed by a lifetime warranty. So let's go ahead, and as you can see, the wrap looks like a regular wrap, but we're going to cut it into pieces. And then we're going to fit it into the luncheon. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and very carefully cut these up. And you want to cut them about like a 2-inch piece as you cut each one. These are supposed to make 4 to 6 roll-ups. And then I made these little celery picks. So you pop one on about 6 toothpicks. So you take one celery stalk and cut it up in pieces. And you're going to flip it up like so. So they look like that. So that is what your buffalo chicken wrap roll up. I'm calling it a wrap. Buffalo chicken roll up will look like. So make a couple of these. I'm going to pop one on. And these Luncheon Containers, they are $15 for the large size. And then for the smaller size, the set of 2, they are 2 for $19. And these are called the Eco Luncheon Containers. So this one's just Eco Luncheon Container, and the green one is called Eco Large Luncheon Container. And the reason why they changed the name a little bit for the spring catalog, the reason why they're called Eco is the inside lining of the containers, they've made them put a special coating in to make them odor free. They will not trap odors. Say if you have a spicy salad dressing or pepperoni. If you're putting that in, it won't absorb the odors. It's a special barrier that they specially put in the plastic, so it will not it'll prevent them from smelling. Also, they've lined the lids with the special eco ingredient into their plastic. They're all BPA free. I know it's a big concern for people these days, being Tupperware, and most of their items are plastic, but they are formulated to be BPA free. And if you need information, let me know. I can send that to you. So we have here the buffalo chicken roll-ups. They all fit nicely into this container. This is the large, eco-large luncheon container. So as you can see, they fit really, really nicely into the container. So this is great to make the night before, for kids' lunches, you know, your lunch before you go to work. Just having something ready to grab and go when that time comes, when you're hungry. That way you've taken that guesswork out of what to eat for lunch or snacks. Especially helps when you have kids. So that way you can open the refrigerator, grab one of these, and have their lunch. So that is how the lid fits on. So it's ready to go. These are also watertight, so if you're putting salad and some dressing or dip in, they will not leak. Just to let you know. Also, they are top rack dishwasher safe, BPA free. All the Tupperware that I show here is top rack dishwasher safe. I don't recommend putting it in the bottom section. So the closer to the heat, it will, you know, warp it or wear it out. So just to let you know that, or to be on the safe side, hand wash it. But all the Tupperware that I show here is top rack dishwasher safe. So I use this one of the Wonder Lear bowls for this recipe, but you can also use the Power Chef system with the blade attachment. So just letting you know that. Hi Jody, thanks for joining me tonight. So using the blade attachment, you can also blend, or you can even chop the chicken and blend the spread ingredients in here too. That was the Power Chef system. And also here I have the our mini chopper. That is also in the Tupperware catalog. That's called Chop and Prep Chef. So that is also in the catalog. You can do exactly the same thing that I did here to make the spread and chop the chicken, but instead I used our bowl. But yeah, you can use a couple different things to get this recipe made. Yeah, so that does it for our demo. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Also, all the products you see are featured in the catalog. The Luncheon Containers, they're on page 67 in the main catalog. And I will post the digital version here in a few minutes. But yeah, everything is available in the catalog. You can also get these products free by hosting a party. So just let me know, comment below, or send me a message through Messenger if you like to date a party and get your Tupperware free. Between now and March 31st, I'm offering free host credit toward your party. The party, we call it party pool or host credit. It is going away the end of March. It is only for hosts. It's a special amount of money that goes toward their party. So it's basically getting between $25 and $75 free of Tupperware products that is added to your party. So that'd be a really good idea to take advantage of that, because after March 31st, that pool money is going away. They're eliminating it. So let me know, comment below, tell me how you liked the video, and until next time, you take care and have a great evening. Bye.